So next week we are getting ready to start our class novel, which is Night. It's actually a memoir. It's a nonfiction piece. Elie Wiesel was a Holocaust survivor. He survived living in Auschwitz and went on to live a happy, healthy life, and then wrote Night about his experiences while in Auschwitz during World War II. So you will find a Night folder in the Unit 3, Human Spirit, the Night folder. And you can see on mine we have lots of things to do, but this particular assignment is called Introduction to the Holocaust. So you are going to start it, and each question has the link in it that you need. So there's a really cool website. It's called the United States Holocaust Memorial, and it's in Washington, D.C., and they have this website. And so that is where this link takes you, is to the United States Holocaust Memorial Museum. And for this particular assignment, we're looking at the introduction page. And the first question says there are 4 subheadings in the article. Summarize each of the 4 parts in one sentence. So you should create a numbered list, 1, 2, 3, 4, and you should have one sentence for each thing. So if you look here, the first one is introduction, so you should summarize the introduction into one sentence. The second one is, what was the Holocaust? You should summarize this section into a second sentence. So now you have 2 sentences in your question. The third section is called implementation of the final solution. So you summarize this part down to one sentence. And then the last one is called the end of the Holocaust. So for this question, you will have 4 sentences where you summarize each of those parts. The really cool thing about this website is all of these blue words are hyperlinked. Then they take you to new pages where you can learn new information. Or they define a term. So like a killing center, if you click on killing center, it takes you to an overview of the killing centers. So I encourage you to get the assignment done, A, but then B, explore the website a little bit. We're going to do a couple other things on it over the course of the unit, but it's a really neat website, and it's actually a museum in Washington, D.C. I've been there. It was an experience I will never forget. So if you ever get a chance to go to Washington, D.C., check out the United States Holocaust Museum. So the assignment, you can see, you have 4 questions, and they are short answer questions. So make sure you're using proper spelling and capitalization and complete sentences. And if you have any questions, let me know.